Hey, how's it going? It is Sigma Profits, and the date today is going to be Saturday, the 26th. Currently, where I'm at, which is on the west coast of the United States. And let's see, we're going to go ahead and do a brief analysis on Bitcoin. It's been a little while. Haven't made a YouTube in a while. There hasn't really been much going on, to be honest, but I thought I'd make a short video for TikTok and just kind of give you guys a brief rundown on what I think is going on, what's happening, what the Sigma Profits trading system is giving us at the moment, and yeah, just some general analysis. So, as you guys know, we do have elections coming up here in the US. That's probably going to just keep price action probably at bay for now. Don't really expect to see a breakout or like a major breakdown or something like that, at least for the next, few days or so, unless something drastic happens. But yeah, let's just go on. Let's just pretend that wasn't happening and let's just do some general analysis. So as of right now, currently the situation is that we actually tried to break out of the range and we came back down. So what I mean by the range is this top side right here, and then we have this bottom side right here. So we have the bottom side of the range and we have the top side of the range currently. So let's go ahead and get that back up. So it's top side of the range. So as you guys can see, we broke out of the range and then we came back down. And we came back down to a support which is currently somewhere going to be around this 55 area right here. I'm sorry, 65. That's 65. Okay. So that's currently major support right now. We might just probably just kind of do something like this where we just kind of go sideways and then just try to break out. Or we might have something else happen and we just come back down. So, as of right now, the reason why I'm giving you guys these two scenarios and not something more direct is because, as you guys can see, the candle currently is white. And what that means is we are using the Sigma Profits trading system here. You guys can find it at www.sigmaprofits.com. And let me just give you guys a brief rundown on what the system does. So first off, we'll start with the ranges. You guys get access to the range, to the Sigma Profit ranges, which is going to kind of give you an idea of where price action is kind of in between at the moment. And if you look at the last, let's say, about 8 months or so, you guys will know that we've been pretty much in a pretty heavy range right here. It's been quite some time now, and you could say around mid-March is when we came within the range, and then we just been kind of just, ranging for quite some time now. Now, that does still give you a lot of opportunities to trade the range, especially when as soon as you find out that you're actually within a range, and then it really doesn't matter how long you're in the range because you just have ample amount of price action to trade within that range. So that's very lucrative, especially over the summertime. There was, beautiful price action within the range. So that's one part of the system. The other part of the system is you guys are going to notice that the candles are all different colors. So we have, for example, green, which is a buy signal. And especially once you guys notice it breaks outside the range, you start trending up and allows you to hold on to your winners, which is a really big deal. So that's that. Then you're going to have white. White is going to be a no trade situation. So when you see a white candle, just like how we have right now going on, sorry guys, I'm actually doing this on my phone right now. I'm away from the laptop, but I'm trying to do it as best as I can. So you're going to see white. White is a no trade situation that helps you avoid the chop. So a lot of the times, most of the money is lost during a trading chop area. And currently that's what we're in. So it allows you to avoid the chop zone. So as you guys can see right here, it was pretty choppy with these white candles. Next, we're gonna have we'll go ahead and go with yellow. So let me give you guys an example of how yellow works. Yellow is going to be where you that's where you actually have to pay attention. So once you get the red candle, that's actually a short signal, and that means that the signal for the short is basically your probabilities of taking a short increase. Now, this whole system is basically to help you to manage risk. So you're essentially using the system to manage your risk and to use the colors as your probabilities system. So when you back test it, you'll notice that the candle turns red, the probabilities of the price dropping further down are more in your favor than anything else. So that's all you have to know as far as using the system, that it's there to help you manage risk within a range. It's there to help you manage risk with a bias, and it's just there overall to help you manage risk so that way you are consistently profitable. So as you guys can see here, there was a no trade situation. Short signal comes in and we drop essentially to the bottom side of the range. Now, as I was saying earlier regarding yellow, yellow's basically a time where you have to pay attention because we're either going to have a reversal set in or we're going to have a continuation. So right after, you're usually going to see a continuation like this, and then you'll have a potential to get a reversal and then go on to the long side, which is all of this price action right here. Really juicy trades if you guys actually take a look at where these actually come in at. So yeah, so as you guys can see also, let's say something like this one candle right here is about 5K of price action. Not bad at all. Moment the candle opens, it's green and you just ride it up, and then from there use your risk management. Now let's see. So yeah, currently we are at a white, we're printing white candles, and that's kind of just telling us, hey, there's nothing really going on. You don't really even want to, pay attention to this right now because there's just, yeah, nothing really going on. So what we're looking for is we're looking for two things to happen. We're either looking for a green candle to show up, or we're simply just waiting for this range to break, which is going to be at right around 69.8K. Once we get that and we close the candle above it, that's when we'll actually go ahead and attempt to go put in a long trade, or we'll just, make a nice bag of Dogecoin or something like that. Because as you guys know, when Bitcoin moves, so do the other coins. So that's what we're looking at right now. For now, we're just kind of staying put. If we do get any red candles showing up in the next couple days, we'll go ahead and take that cue as a potential short signal, and we'll look for our first target to be somewhere around this 64, 63 area. So this is the analysis for now. And the best we can say is Bitcoin currently is in a neutral state with a bearish kind of twist to it. So yeah, really dangerous if you're looking for any upside potential at the moment. So just stay put, and there'll be a trade revealing itself very shortly. The last time we had a trade was around October 13th. Prior to that, we had another one earlier in the month, and then we had a really nice trade happen in around the right around mid-September. Um, that led to pretty good price action. All of this right here. Keep in mind, we got the long, and then we had a potential continuation. So that was beautiful. Hits the top side of the range, rejected, consolidated, and it was long again. So on average, you're probably going to get maybe about one or two setups a month, but those one or two setups are going to be pretty lucrative. Now, just wanted to let you guys know we do have a Telegram group. It's just a general chat where people can come by. We can talk TA, talk general trading stuff. Maybe if somebody has good advice, pointers for other people to follow. We're always learning, so it's definitely a cool thing if we can grow our Telegram community. And let me show you guys. Let's go ahead and bring this up. We also are on Twitter, or X as they call it now. So if you guys want, just come by, follow on X. You guys have any questions or anything, we're usually over here. You can DM us anything, any questions or anything that you guys want. We do have a pinned tweet that has our Telegram chat on there if you guys want to come by and take a look at that. You guys can check out our website, www.sigmaprofits.com. We have our trading system, which is $249 a month, and that includes. So let me tell you guys what that includes. So here's our website, sigmaprofits.com. What's great about the system is that there's no courses, there's no learning curve. It's very simple, and the probabilities are on your side, and we've done the back testing for that. That's why we are promoting this. So $249 a month gets you access to the full trading system. You also get included the Sigma Profits Bitcoin alerts. And what that is that's $99 separately if you want it. But if you go ahead and go with the full system, that's included as well. Now it just includes alerts for Bitcoin only. So we don't do anything else. We just anytime the system gives us an alert for Bitcoin, we go ahead and post it in our Telegram chat, and that's the one for the members for that system. Now. Let me show you guys. You guys can go to the drop down menu, check out the past trades, and these are actually every single signal that we've posted in our Telegram once we started the service, and it gives you every. We haven't updated this for October, so we're missing like 2 trades. But we did. Here's our last one was on September 11th. The entry was 57,300. And we ultimately made it to the top side of the range. It was a phenomenal trade. So yeah, you guys can check out our past trade sections just to kind of see how the system works, how the alerts works. We do have an affiliates program, so if you guys were to join, and let's say you guys had somebody else, or you guys promoted the system, however you guys do that, you can literally make up to 50% of the revenue that comes in from your referrals. So it's a great way to make a little side income, trade as well using the system, make profits trading, and overall just a nice healthy set of actions. We try to make trading as reasonable and easy as possible, especially with the ranges that we have incorporated into the system. And you have a good way to know what the trend is, and that's what the candle colors that we have. When to stay out of the market. We do have a YouTube channel that we update periodically, but I'd like to start trying to make short videos. Let's see, we do live trading. We will stream live on X, Rumble. We do that from time to time. And you guys can also pay with crypto for the system. Just send us a DM. We have our Bitcoin address or USDT. And a little bit info about our strategy. And also on our website, we have our feed for our X account, as well as why you should use the system, and kind of giving you, a general idea of how risk management works, and how trading using a system is beneficial, and hopefully leads to profiting with consistency. So definitely check us out. We are Sigma Profits on X, and we're going to go ahead and be doing TikTok videos, hopefully growing our TikTok account. But do come and join us in the Telegram chat so that way we can, hang out. And if you guys have any questions or anything, or, we can create a nice little learning environment. So until next time, you guys take care, and we'll see you guys soon.